Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are here at Legoland Malaysia for Brick or Treat, the Halloween special. I feel a little bit underdressed, so let's change that. And there we go, that feels like a little bit of a cop-out, but I'm a vampire. Now, something really special about today's trip to Legoland is, first of all, Alicia, who you've seen in many of my videos, is also joining me today. But I was very fortunate enough to be asked to do the voice of the vampire for Legoland Malaysia. So we're gonna go and check out my voice on a Lego character, which is awesome. Okay guys, before we go any more chit chat, before we get into any more chit chat, let's go. Now obviously guys, we all go through a pandemic, so Legoland it's amazing time to come, to be honest with you, because there's no one here. You've got all the rides to yourself, you've got the characters to yourself, and it literally seems like there is nobody here. So it's just going to be me and Alicia running around Legoland for the day, I suppose. I got her a hat, but I don't know where she is at the moment. She'll be arriving at any point in the near future, I suppose. But I suppose we better get into the park. Well, I've got to wait for Alicia actually to give her a ticket. Hey girlfriend!
I mean, hello! Are we gonna win the costume contest?
Well, at the moment we're the only ones in costume. Two big kids. Right, we need to get in.
It must be early for you to come and join us, right?
Yes, I was having a drink now. But how could I miss the Hocus Pocus Hello show for Brick or Treat? We should.
So we're in Legoland now, and we're at the mini land where they make loads of different stuff. Oh, look at the Patronus towers, they're so big.
They're huge.
So Alicia and I were obviously the voices of the witch and the vampire. Hello, welcome to the Patronus Towers in Kuala Lumpur. So this is Miniland.
So cool. Look at this.
It's so big, isn't it? I wonder what happens when you press the button. Or is that just a...
Oh, it's
oh yeah.
you.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's quite nice actually.
I'm like, this is awesome.
Gonna get a picture of your head in there. Looking for a fifth friend. So the Lego friends are here in their buggy, and apparently get free Haribos. So we're the only people in the whole park actually waiting. Right, so we're doing a ride. Do you know what? I tried to skip earlier on, but I did my legs in the gym the other day and they're killing. Right, we'll go on a ghost ride.
Oh, I want to go on the one where I get to slash the ninjas.
Slash ninjas, oh Ninjago,
Yeah.
Okay, we can do that. So the first ride we're going on is the Lost Kingdom Adventure. It's one of these laser shooter games. Now, I don't think you can take your camera in. I will, but I don't think you can. So if I get told not to, then
That's the one.
you won't see it. But it's one of those laser shooter games, and apparently it's really fun.
Meant to be music.
Right, so how do we rate that one out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Okay. I mean, I think with a little bit of music, it could have maybe gone up to a 12 out of 10. That's my personal thoughts on the matter. Right, we're gonna go into Ninjago. It's a bit of a workout, this one, if I remember correctly. So far no one said anything about cameras, so it's quite cool that you guys can see what happens at the ride. Now this one is 3D glasses, so obviously you're not going to get the 3D effect on GoPro. GoPro, there's something for you to look into. 3D videos. See if you can work that one out. I'll definitely buy it.
They don't do that.
Okay, let's go. So, ride number 2. Very enjoyable. It's really hard on your arms. You're doing this loads. So it's a good workout. Highest score again. Not of the day, because all the staff go in the morning and obviously they know exactly how to do it. So they've got the highest scores for the day. So the guests don't really get to put their name up on the board, which I think is a little bit out of order. But if I was staff, I'd do the same, to be fair. Ah! Oh God. I've got no testicles left. Right, okay guys, so we're just stopped for a quick second. We have just been to see the 3D movie. It's been really, really quiet today. Are you enjoying yourself? Alicia's here.
Yes.
I kind of ditched the cape, which was...
Even the toilets are cute.
So guys, these are some of the shows that you can see here at Legoland.
White shirt, now red, my bloody nose. Sleeping, you're on your tippy toes. Creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. I'm a tough guy, like to scare at night guy. Just can't see the sun guy. Heroin so slick guy. I'm the bad type, make your mama sad type. Make your girlfriend mad type. Might just eat your dad type.
Careful, Dad.
I'm the bad guy.
Let's go, spin around. Pull it.
Right, so throughout the day here at Brick or Treat for Legoland, you have to try and find out the words by doing different challenges. And we've been working out all day.
We've been working so hard.
So hard, but we couldn't figure it out, so someone just told us. And apparently if you go to guest services and say the word, which we're not going to say because then other people will be able to figure it out and no one will do the challenges. Apparently if you go apparently if you go and say the word, you get a prize. So we're going to go and get a prize for what. This has been the end of it. Have you enjoyed yourself?
I had so much fun. I was a big little kid all day.
Exactly, just what everyone needs once in a while, to be a big little kid. So I wasn't going to say the word because then it'll ruin it for everyone else, but getting a prize. What's the prize?
Alright, so this is the price. Thank you. Have a good day. So this 40 bucks. So actually we have some activity at the water park. So it's different present.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow the journey. We've got loads of really cool stuff on this channel. Stuff that you'll love, stuff that I love, stuff that the whole world's gonna love. I'm gonna give Alicia her badge.
Okay, you stay here. Okay, you stay here. Right? Alright. Make the long nose, make the long nose reaches.
Thank